How to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. Now, if you're someone who manages a personal Instagram profile alongside a business page or perhaps runs multiple brand, meme, or theme accounts, having to log in and out of different profiles repeatedly can become exhausting. Fortunately, Instagram allows users to add and switch between multiple accounts seamlessly within a single app. Now, if you're a content creator juggling different niches, a social media manager handling various clients, or simply someone who wants to keep their personal and professional life separate, learning how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts is essential to simplifying your workflow and avoiding constant logins and logouts. So, to begin, go ahead and open up the Instagram app or website and make sure you're logged into your primary account. Now, once the app opens up and loads your homepage or feed, looks toward the bottom over here on profile. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open this up. Now, once you open this up, you can actually go ahead and click on switch accounts. And once you click on switch accounts, you can go ahead and add a new account over here for yourself. So if we add a new account and we go ahead and add in login, what this does is it basically logs into this specific account for us. And what that ensures is that obviously our account seamlessly works and goes ahead and logs in. And obviously once we do that, as you can see, we now have a new account added into our space. Okay, so if we come here, click on more, click on switch accounts, you can go ahead and simply add your second account as well. So just like this, you can go ahead and switch profiles as you please. And one other way that you can do this is just go over to your more section, go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, you can go ahead to your accounts center, which is your meta account center. And over here, as you can see, you can find in multiple profiles for yourself. So just go ahead, access that profile from here, or even go over to accounts. And as you can see, I have two accounts over here. You can simply add an account over here as well. And that is how you can add and use multiple Instagram accounts for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.